This is the DJI OM4. For whatever reason, when I first turned it on, it was not calibrated. It was not perfectly level. I thought I was losing my mind, so I had to use the bubble bath to confirm whether it is level or not. And sure enough, it was off by 1 degree. But right now, it's perfectly balanced. It's off on and off by about 0.1 degree. So how do you calibrate? Let's go back and open the app. You'll need the DJI Mimo if you haven't downloaded already. Mine's already connected, so that's why it opens instantly. Go to the left hand side on the bottom. There's a 3 buttons. Press there to open the options. Go down a little bit further, and then you'll see gimbal auto calibration. Click on calibrate, and when you calibrate, you have to put it on a perfectly flat surface. Don't put it on your desk because the desk might not be level. I know for sure that the floor I'm sitting on is perfectly level, so that's why I calibrate on the floor. Don't forget to use your tripod thingy to make sure that it's standing on its own. Open it up, let it stand by itself, and whenever you're ready to begin, just click on start. It will jerk around, swing around, move around on its own, and the whole process takes about less than a minute. But let's see how much it actually takes to calibrate. And there you go, it's all done. Click OK. Let's go back to my bubble app and see if it's calibrated or not. And there we go, it's still good. 0.0, 0.1 going back and forth. Alright, I hope this helps with your issues, and we'll stay tuned. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.